Moz Pro, Semrush. If you're looking for a keyword research tool or a tool to help you optimize your content, then you're in the right place. I'm going to dive into the features of each one of these platforms and see what they actually have to offer and why you should even use them. So let's check it out. So, of course, the first thing we're going to do is jump into Moz Pro. So Moz Pro actually provides comprehensive keyword research tools that suggest keywords based on your volume, your difficulty, and also your click-through rate, which is probably one of the more important analytics. It is fantastic for identifying high-performing keywords to target in your content strategy. Moz Pro also is quite well known for its proprietary domain authority scoring system. All right, let me explain. This basically helps you measure the strength of your website compared to other competitors within the same niche. The feature serves as a quick indicator of your site's overall SEO health. Also, you can analyze individual pages for SEO on your website, like if you have any issues such as missing data or meta descriptions, broken links, slow loading speeds, especially for those kinds of items. Also, Moz Pro provides actionable insights to improve your content's on-page performance. Let's have a look here at their SERP features tracker. So, Moz Pro actually lets you track SERP features like rich snippets, local packs, and knowledge graphs. You can have a better understanding of how your content actually appears on search engine results pages. The platform also helps you discover link building opportunities by comparing your backlink profile with competitors, and it gives you a targeted approach to building quality links. One or two of their drawbacks is while Moz Pro is great for tracking link health and opportunities, it doesn't really provide as much comprehensive feedback in your backlinks database as some of their competitors. It might limit the scope of your analysis. Also, some users have found that their interface is a little less intuitive, easier to use, which is of course a problem. You are wanting software which is as easy as possible to get by. Alright, we're jumping into Semrush, and actually I use Semrush, I have for quite a while. It does combine SEO research, PPC data, social media analytics, and even content writing assistant into one single platform. It's quite a comprehensive tool if you're looking for multi-channel campaigns. With Semrush, you can actually also easily spy on your competitors' keywords, including their estimated traffic and their CPC values. This can help you stay ahead of the competition within your niche. Semrush also actually provides a deep technical audit with detailed breakdowns of issues like HTTPS errors, crawlability, and mobile responsiveness. This can help you clean up your website's infrastructure. Semrush also provides insight for paid search campaigns, including tools for planning effective ads and discovering low-cost clicks. It's got an advanced content marketing toolkit. Its AI-powered content templates directly guide you towards creating high-ranking blog posts or articles. One or two of their drawbacks here is they have quite a steep learning curve. It is a lot to take in. If you are a beginner, you may feel overwhelmed. And the second thing is they have a limited sort of usage or keyword research, and thereafter it is quite costly if you do want to pay for their use. So there you go. You have now seen the benefits as well as the drawbacks of both of the platforms. At the end of the day, the key takeaway is to go and experiment with each one of them, find out which one actually works for you, and then make a decision based on that. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.